Welcome to the BDB Platform 8.5 release. Today, we're excited to unveil the latest features and enhancements in the Data Science Lab module. Certainly. In a Data Science (DS) lab, there are various features and enhancements that can be implemented to improve its functionality and productivity. Here are some of the key features and enhancements. First up, we've upgraded Python to version 3.10.0, providing you with the latest capabilities for your data science projects. We've introduced a user interface with multiple tabs for DS notebooks. Now, you can work with multiple notebooks simultaneously, streamlining your workflow. Here's a game changer: project and notebook access without project activation. We've simplified your access, giving you more flexibility. Our AutoML capabilities have expanded. We now support automated time series analysis. Python and PySpark scripts can be registered as jobs, allowing you to execute your scripts with ease. We've added an autosave option for notebooks, giving you the power to enable or disable autosaving. Python writers are now seamlessly integrated into the Data Science Lab. Now, you can generate an explainer dashboard for automated time series models. Explainer dashboards can be downloaded in HTML format. Introducing BDB Assist, it generates code using the LLM service, making your coding tasks a breeze. Also provided pull and push functionalities for Python files from Git. Here are the key enhancements in DS Lab. Improved user interface in DS Lab lists and notebook tiles for enhanced user experience. Upgraded user interface for the interrupt kernel option. Copy to clipboard option added for copy path feature. Utility side. Added the utility tab inside the DS notebook. Validation for utility scripts during upload and edit. Introduced code and markdown cell highlighting functionality. External libraries can upload .txt files at the project level. Dataset rows can be limited using the DS Lab Reader function. Complete DS Lab projects access granted to admin users. Introducing a game-changing feature for DS notebooks, multiple tabs. We've all been there, juggling between multiple notebooks, trying to keep track of different projects, datasets, and experiments. It's a mess, isn't it? But not anymore. With the new multiple tabs feature in DS notebooks, we've completely transformed your workspace. Now, you can work on multiple notebooks simultaneously, all in one place. This feature isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing productivity and flexibility. Next, introduce a powerful addition to our platform, AutoML for time series analysis. Time series data can be complex, tricky to analyze, and time-consuming. But don't worry, we've got a solution. With our new AutoML for time series analysis, we're making it easy to extract valuable insights from your time-dependent data. Now, you can quickly and effortlessly unlock the power of time series analysis. Just click and watch as our advanced algorithms analyze your data. Within minutes, you'll have valuable insights at your fingertips. Next, introducing our purpose-built functions for writers, designed to streamline and enhance your task efficiency. These functions are designed to simplify common tasks, enabling Python writers to accomplish their objectives more effectively and with reduced complexity. Next, the explanatory dashboard for time series models. Time series modeling has always been a challenging field, filled with complex data and intricate predictions. But what if there was a better way to make sense of it all? With our explanatory dashboard for time series models, we've reimagined the way you interact with your models. It presents predictions in a clear and visually intuitive manner, providing a comprehensive understanding of your model outcomes. Explore your model's predictions interactively with just a few clicks. Next, we're thrilled to unveil our latest innovation, Generative AI powered by the LLM service. Now, you can effortlessly create text-based content with a few simple prompts. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to effortless content generation. Type in a prompt and watch as our AI generates high-quality, context-aware text. Copy, paste, and you're ready to roll. It's that simple. Our generative AI is your productivity and creativity booster. Get more done in less time and fuel your creativity like never before. Where innovation meets creativity. Unleash the power of AI in content creation with generative AI using the LLM service. Next, introduce a game-changing feature, seamless integration with GitLab and GitHub. Collaborating on code can often be a cumbersome and time-consuming process. But what if you could streamline the entire experience? With our integrated functionality, you can now pull Python files directly from GitLab and GitHub. We're revolutionizing the way you access and collaborate on code repositories. With our new functionality, you can now register Python and PySpark scripts as jobs. Register your Python scripts as jobs with ease, ensuring they're always at your fingertips. Schedule and execute PySpark scripts conveniently as registered jobs, saving time and effort. This enhancement is all about improving job organization and execution. This enhancement simplifies the process of running and overseeing Python and PySpark scripts within the system, improving job organization and execution. Now, introducing a feature that's going to change the way you work. We're excited to present the all-new autosave option for notebooks. We've all been there, working tirelessly on a project, only to lose everything due to an unexpected crash or accidental closure. But what if there was a safety net to prevent such data loss? With our autosave option, you can now work with peace of mind. We've made sure your hard work is automatically saved at regular intervals. Enable the autosave option with a simple click and let it work its magic. Continue your analysis or coding process without the fear of data loss. Say goodbye to unnecessary steps and hello to streamlined access. We're thrilled to present our latest innovation, Streamline Project and Notebook Access. Accessing your notebooks and project functionalities often involve the time-consuming step of project activation. But what if you could skip this step and dive right into your work? With our streamlined access, your workflow just got simpler and faster. Now, you can access essential notebooks and features without requiring project activation. Save valuable time with quicker access to what matters most. Access to essential notebooks and features, enhancing overall productivity and user experience. Here UI/UX level changes are designed to elevate your user experience. Our user interface in DS Lab lists and notebook tiles has received a major facelift. It's cleaner and more user-friendly. The interrupt kernel option has been upgraded for seamless pausing and resuming of work. We've added a copy to clipboard option for the copy path feature. Easily copy and paste paths. Discover the new Utility tab inside the DS notebook for utility scripts and validations. Enjoy code and markdown cell highlighting for improved readability. External libraries can now upload .txt files at the project level for better file management. Take control of your datasets by limiting rows using the DS Lab Reader function. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on BDB Data Science Lab 8.5 features. We truly appreciate your interest and engagement. Our goal is to bring clarity to our advancements in the world of data science. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to explore the possibilities of BDB Data Science Lab 8.5.